Hey everyone, welcome back to Hello VS TV. Today we are checking out the Zhiyun Tech Crane 4 Combo, a high-performance gimbal designed to give your video shoots a professional touch. So let's unbox this and learn more about it. The Crane 4 features a robust yet lightweight design with a maximum payload of 4.6 kg, which is 10.1 pounds. Impressive for handling heavier camera setups. The gimbal's ergonomic handle adjustable grip make it comfortable to use for long periods. The package includes a multifunctional quick-release plate and an easy-to-use stand, adding to convenience of setup and balancing. With its advanced 3-axis stabilization system, the Crane 4 delivers great stability even with larger camera rigs. It supports a wide range of cameras and lenses. The gimbal also features a built-in focus motor, providing great focus control during filming. Additionally, the Crane 4 offers multiple follow modes, including pan follow, lock, and full follow, allowing you to capture dynamic and creative shots. The Crane 4 boasts an impressive battery life of up to 12 hours on a single charge, ensuring you can shoot for extended periods without interruptions. The user-friendly touchscreen interface and joystick controls makes adjustments straightforward, and the gimbal includes a range of accessories like the focus motor and lens support to enhance its versatility. Recently, my team used this gimbal to shoot and test, and here are some footages and behind the scenes for you. This is all about the latest Crane 4 gimbal. Overall, this gimbal is powerful and versatile tool for any filmmaker. It provides excellent stabilization and a range of features, making it a top choice for professional video production. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews. See you in the next video.